Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Nurse Shelly. I'm making this video for me to be able to share my experiences in coming here and working here as a nurse in Germany. So, I will upload some videos po with regards on the process on how I chose Germany as a country for me to work as a nurse para po magka-idea po yung mga colleagues natin o kunars natin from other countries in Middle East, like especially in the Philippines, and also sa mga estudyante, yung mga third year, fourth year ng mga nurses sa Philippines, once na makakuha sila ng experience nila, and if they want to go out of the country to work for a better future and better experiences, this will help them a lot. Hindi po ako mag-sugarcoat. Sabihin ko lang po yung totoo. Hindi ko sabihin na ganito yung magiging sweldo nyo, ganito yung ma-experience nyo, ganito, pak, ganun. Hindi po ganun. Sabihin ko po kung ano talaga yung totoo na possible na maranasan nila once na mag-start sila ng process at makarating dito sa Germany and start again another process for them to be able to be a registered nurse sa Germany. So, hope you will follow my account, my videos. Pwede rin po kayong maglagay ng questions down. Then I'll try to answer them on my next videos. And hopefully, it will help you decide which will be the better path for you sa ating beruf o sa ating profession. That will help you experience more, earn more, and see other worlds. And meet other people as well. Yeah. Okay. So, bis später, bleibt gesund alles und tschüss.